Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to clean the water inlet filter on your LG washing machine. The water inlet filter collects lime or any sediment that may be in the water that is supplied to the washing machine. Clean the water inlet filters every 6 months or more often if your home runs hard water or the water contains traces of limescale. Here is how to clean the water inlet filter. You will need access to the rear side of the washing machine. If you cannot access the rear by yourself, please contact your LG service center or a qualified technician. First, turn off the power and the water tap. Then unscrew the water inlet hose connector from the washing machine. Be aware there might be some water left inside the hose that may spill out when removing the water inlet hose. It may be difficult to remove the filter by hand. So, using a pair of needle long nose pliers, carefully pull out the filter. Now use a soft cleaning brush to remove dirt from the filter. You may also use warm water to remove any remaining residue. Lastly, correctly place the filter back in and screw the water inlet hose connector back into the washing machine and turn the water tap back on. And that is how to clean the water inlet filter. Thank you for using LG washing machines.